Hey, what's up, healthy people? It's Ange with Let's Health with Ange, and I got a yummy, delicious, raw snack recipe for you, and that's gonna be spicy nacho cheese broccoli bites. Yeah, that sounds good. So check it out. Alright, so now that my broccoli's been prepped, that's the first step. I'm gonna go ahead and put it into a mixing bowl so I can add in my spicy nacho cheese. How do you make raw spicy nacho cheese? Check out my last video. I did a whole video on how to hook up this yummy recipe. So back to the broccoli bites. Okay, so I got my broccoli cleaned and prepped. You can make these as small or as large as you want. Okay, now that it's all full, add it to the dehydrator and you're good to go. Hope you like this video. Enjoy. Tell somebody, show somebody. Let's help, baby. Peace.